To compare multiple digital slides from the same case, click the Layout button in the toolbar and select the desired layout from the submenu. The screen will automatically divide into the specified number of panels, each displaying a slide from the preview bar on the left side of the screen. To reposition slides, use the left mouse button to drag and drop thumbnails from the preview bar into the desired panel. Up to 12 slides can be displayed at once. During the comparison of multiple digital slides from the same case, the images can be manually aligned. To align 2 or more images, click the Show Hide Alignment Grid button on the toolbar to display a reference grid. Then, pan and rotate the images until they are properly aligned. Once the images are aligned, click the Link Panels button to lock the alignment and synchronize the panels. Synchronization ensures that panning, zooming, rotating, and flipping operations are applied to all panels simultaneously.